Well, after this girl search and seek, and I mean she come find. She make me know she don't want a brother with bad mind or one with line. So me just give her my number and tell her call me anytime. Precisely. Hello girl, you wanna get friendly with me?
Yeah, who that knock on my door? Who that?
I'm me, a big brother Duffer.
Oh?
Yo, just what me do and let him bad man the youth.
What you there, Virgin? You should have come before you come, man. What you there? Come in, man. Look, you never chop you up in a youth.
This yourself, man.
You come and knock down man door so you not even call before you come. You live here? Must say you live. So, Mr. British, how was life in England?
England, a fraud place that my youth. More know them for deport real bad man.
You say they are foreign floss a lot. Now we look like you lost a lot. I mean, they don't tell you, say, you're not straight in a foreign land.
Let me tell you this, man. Duffer make money anywhere in there. And me Duffer that, I gonna make money in a red pan even if me forgot bloody top youth.
What do you mean by that?
Don't say nothing. Just wait and you will see. A matter of fact, everybody I go see.
Duffer, what go on, my big friend?
What go on, brother John, every day, you know?
So, how you in church these days?
Church. Say them not doing a God thing again, you know.
What?
Virgin, let me tell you this, man. God only waste my time, you know. And some money I want to make, you know. And right now, God too busy forgiving sins.
Duffer, remember you was the one who invited me to Christ?
Hey, brother Johnny, it look like a wrong thing I tell you to do. A matter of fact, ball game out to start, you know. Make the road. Yeah, run the ball.
God. Your mouth.
John Mustard.
Yo, Jamaica.
Yeah?
Bring some juice, come get them man. Look for you know, so me never like when you really say to Brother Clark early and do.
Yo, brother Johnny know what God do for him, you know. So right now, I want you to tell me what the deal with red pants since I left here.
Look for.
Thanks.
What do you mean by that?
Put me eyes, look brother, you hear that? Money can make in a red pan in a youth.
One thing still enough. Still have a piece of machine on the back there.
Yeah.
But just store the place that runs so good.
Yeah.
Not even about that thing for rising. But call the shots then. Me lick them.
No say nothing. Look brother. Seems like we have to go rise the dead, you know. Bring it back to life. Even if man have to go dead. So let it be. Greetings all you followers of Duffer Dan.
Yeah, man. Blessed, boss.
As the whole community know already, Brother Duffer is back.
Take over.
I'm there for run red pan. Blood red.
Yeah, man.
Too long the followers of Duffer Dan been taking things too cool. Money for me.
Raise the money.
And even if man have go dead, so let it be.
So I'm telling the police them coming.
Police, me take care of them, man. Me have for them take it.
Well, and how comes the police thing coming? I want the man them belly I get yellow. Eh? Listen me man. Is either on the walk out, talk out, or hold in a pace.
Precisely.
Yo, Amaziyah the great again. We're not enough time for years again. Yeah, so we're moving on, yeah, we got precisely. Yo, moving on, I'm a told them.
You alright, baby?
Yeah, man, Chris.
Junior, you look glad to see me. And where you going with that bend up wheel bicycle anyway?
Baby, me quiet up if you say, but now is not the time for the chit chat. Now something to take care, alright?
Junior, I don't like how you're sounding now. What you up to now?
Baby, me not tell you me have something to take care of, nothing for you to worry yourself about, man. The truth is, you're going to sort out that for one stand for all.
Sort out? What do you mean by sort out? You mean physically hurting somebody?
Correct! Gunshot I got fire, and what they feel like.
Huh? So now you mean you're going back to that same old immature you again? I thought you were the one who said that you and Dafa are friends coming from way back. And what's the meaning of this anyway? Yeah, act like somebody get killed.
Somebody will get killed. Look, if nobody put a stop to them and them stupidness, look, the boy violate me prime time, you know. Mama deal with the boy like her own son, like we're the same blood brother. For heaven's sake, me can't make them do that and get with me. I'm gonna look like idiot. Somebody have to go teach them a lesson so they don't mess with nobody again.
Junior, you promised me not to go back to that notorious road. Junior, don't make nobody push you. Junior, don't make nobody push you around.
This is not a push over or a push button. Master the boy, bright. Yo man, I soon come.
Junior, don't walk away from me.
Yo, beast, make them know.
Yo, for all my ghetto people all across the world.
Yo, Diego, I really made the boy never come from England come this. Bang the mother shop. All the hell break loose when I hold him. Them boy they go pay your feet.
Junior, that's why them are idiot, you know, and the boy now have no money to pay for your mother place either now. You know, see, I'm look a brother clothes my way from him there. And one shirt thing come with pan him back. I dip the boy, you never know where man get money to pay back your mother.
Diego, don't be foolish. You don't want no money from Dafa. It's in life you want. Furthermore, none of them boy no bad like my shoes lace. And alone to take on them boy, they war them one. Them boy they for dead enough.
Yo, it's as long as you throw this together. Me no want, you're going to take this to a grave. Me no want nobody get weak, now go inform to the 5 hours, you see me?
True, ja. Inform, not even for a million. Inform of the dead. Yo, afar we are come from, you know, Junior. And from his war, you know. Could make you alone have all of the fun, you know. You know how long I want to sort out your friend.